Bato tastele ta ne karcheri tiri.
Hi everyone. So today we are going to take one challenge. So today's challenge is we are going to have 500 rupees each, and we are going for our own shopping, which you can buy only snacks, nothing else. So you can buy any snacks which you wanted. So within that 500, and time limit is for 20 minutes. Within 20 minutes, 500 rupees you need to buy the snacks whatever you wanted. So just we are just getting ready, and then after that we will be there at the shopping mall. There is one supermarket near to our home. Once we reach there, we'll start our game challenge. Yes?
So the
Abu,
video,
are you ready?
yeah, I'm ready. But we are going to separate the video, right?
Yeah, we are going to make two kind of videos. So one his part and one my part.
Let's see you there.
Bye bye. See you there. 5:59 now. So we are going to start the challenge now. So we have only 20 minutes each with the 500 rupees, and we are going to start now.
Chalo.
Yeah. Time starts with that.
Yeah, start now. I'm not going to know the way. Hot. Send it hot. Hot. We have only 20 minutes, so I'm just searching what I need to buy now. Kusum tanda. Sunam gudi tarani des muni des ni chamba. Ana shamba ta de. Ngadi da karda. Ni da. Marayo mar de. Kile jara. Ras. Aya de kare. Sote gire.
Abu, within 500 you need to buy, okay? Not more than that. If your purchase is more than 500, it's disqualified. 246. Disqualified, okay? I met him now, so I checked his bucket also. All chips are there. Okay, so we are done with our challenge, and still 4 more minutes is there. Hi everyone, so welcome back, and now we are reached at home, and we are going to show all the snacks or eatables which we got it. So within this, all are within rupees 500. So date is like this, and then the second one which I got is dry kiwi fruits. So these two are mine, and then third one which I got is almond cranberries. Okay, and then not this much. Then finally I got two eggs ramen. So these all are my product. This all comes within 500. Now second part which I am going to show, Jamyang's side, which what he bought within 500. In his 500 budget he bought one. This selfish guy bought only one ramen, only for him. Okay, one ramen, one lace, his favorite lace. Okay, then I think 2 pulpy orange. I think 1 is for me. He bought 2, and then 1. He got 1 chicken soup. I don't think, and then finally he bought 1 Kiko man. This is 1 sauce, very tasty soy sauce. So these are the Jamil's. Hope you guys like this challenge, and the purpose of this challenge is normally we go for shopping and we'll drop all the eatables and all the groceries which we want. We'll just drop in the bucket and we'll go to the counter and just do the calculation. So today we set the budget and we went there, so it was fun and it was good experience, so we liked it. So in case if you like this video, hope you guys also do the same challenge with us and share your experience in our comment below. So with this we are going to close this video, and thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And the final request, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So we'll see you in the next video. Signing out, Sonam here. Bye bye.